Attention astronaut candidates. You have selected Orange Team More Intense Training. If you are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning, you may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions to the Green Team Less Intense Training Area.
Team. You have been selected to train for a mission to Mars. Teams are awaiting your arrival at the landing site here at Valles Marineris. Your mission is to get to that landing site. Your flight path to Mars will take you around the moon for lunar gravity assist. But even with that slingshot, your trip will take 3 months. So we'll have to put you into hypersleep. Hypersleep activated. Don't worry, it'll only seem like a second or two to you. I'll give you a wake-up call when you get to Mars. Okay, now listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll fire the thrusters for lunar orbit insertion and for descent to the surface of Mars. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger the second stage rocket. You'll also deploy the shields. Commander, you will be responsible for first stage separation and activating manual control for landing. Engineer, when it's bedtime, you will activate hypersleep. You will also extend the legs for landing. Don't worry, when it's time to push the buttons, they will light up. Then I'll give you the go. One last thing. In the event of an emergency landing, there are control sticks at every crew position. Okay, Lieutenant. Any final instructions for our new kids?
When the flight bay doors open, follow the markings on the floor to your castle. Then move all the way across, taking your crew position in the cockpit, and stow all personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down your restraint. Now listen carefully. Leaning forward, closing your eyes, or looking left or right during your flight could disorient you. So keep your head back against the headrest. Keep your eyes open at all times, and focus straight ahead, even if you start to feel disoriented. They're all yours, Capcom.
Well, I guess that's everything. Good luck, Mars team. You are on the clock.
Follow the markings on the floor to your X2 trainer.
Attention, trainees.
Now.
Follow the markings on the floor to your X2 trainer and begin boarding now.
Store personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down on the restraint.
Can you? Pilot, the X2 is an excellent ship. All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shields. Surgeon, how are we doing?
All good for launch.
Alright, Ben, push up on those restraints for me.
Commander,
are we ready?
just remember your assignment.
Perfect. Keep that
First
face
stage
covered, not
separation
turning
and manual control.
Warning.
Loading flight plan.
Closing. If needed,
Engineer,
SpaceX
just a
pads
reminder,
are located
you will
on the
activate
mission.
hypersleep and extend the wings.
You're running quicker up for a million gallons. Experience, good to go.
Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff.
Mission Control, this is the fire eagle. Give us the go and we'll go for launch. Eagle, go. Surgeon, go flight. Network, go flight. You are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours. Mission Control to Mars X2. You are go at throttle up.
rocket. Now.
Engaged. Leaving Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000.
You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon. Navigator, fire rockets for lunar orbit insertion. Now.
Override. LOI confirmed.
Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, activate hypersleep. Now.
Computer override. Hypersleep duration 3 months. Monitoring mode.
Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem.
Beginning evasive maneuvers.
This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site.
Proximity alert.
Pilot, deploy the shield. Now.
Shield deployed.
We're ready for deorbit burn.
Navigator, fire rockets for descent. Now.
Computer override. Rocket fired 200 miles to planet surface.
Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now.
Computer override. Wings extended.
We lost autopilot.
Commander, activate manual control. Now.
Computer override.
All hands on the control stick. Pull back. Pull back. Left. Pull left. Once again, you hold. Now right. Ease it left.
They're coming in too hot.
Back to center. Just hold it steady.
Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200.
Watch the barrier.
15 feet.
Pull back. Hang on. Down and clear.
Alert. Location Canyon Edge.
Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay, heads back, releasing restraints. Now push the restraints up. Be sure to gather all your belongings and follow the arrows out.